Hi there, friends. Today, we're going to meet a very special family. Let's go inside the house and say hello. Look. These are the parents. This is Mom and this is Dad. They love taking care of their family. Mom and Dad do so many things. Mom loves to cook delicious meals, and Dad enjoys reading books with us. Now, let's meet the kids. This is the big brother, and this is the little sister. They love to play and have fun together. Big brother is really good at building things, and little sister loves to draw pretty pictures. Who do we have here? These are the grandparents. This is Grandma and this is Grandpa. They are always full of stories and hugs. Grandma makes the yummiest cookies, and Grandpa tells the best stories from when he was young. And don't forget our furry friends. This is the family dog, and this is the family cat. They love to play and cuddle. The dog loves to fetch balls, and the cat enjoys napping in sunny spots. Now you've met everyone. This is what makes a family so special. Everyone loves each other and spends time together. Remember, families come in all shapes and sizes, but the most important thing is love. Thanks for meeting our family today. See you next time.